Welcome to Coding Ball. Hi friends, today I will show you Angular accessing a model pop-up by using an Angular click event functionality. So this is a click event functionality. I have opened this one pop-up, and the below one is used by data toggle from Bootstrap. So I will show the both closing and opening of a model pop-up functionality. So I will open the TS file. So this is the open model out pop-up function, and the below one is closing pop-up function. So let us start. So coming to the video, first we need to import Bootstrap and jQuery for using this model pop-up. So I will show you one thing. Because we are using this dollar sign, I'm declaring the dollar sign below the import field, so I need to use the jQuery. So we'll do one thing. I will go to the browser. This is a Bootstrap documentation, so I will share the link in the below. So this is the CSS file. The below is the CSS file and CDN link to for the Bootstrap. I'm using 4.0.0, and coming to the below part, there is a jQuery file. It is the version is 3.2.1. So you will copy this one and the same thing in the index. So I'm starting within a container and row. I will start with the column LG10. Okay, I will get a click event open pop-up for with the function. Okay, button open pop-up function, click class btn primary, click open pop-up model pop-up. So we will take another row. I'll just copy this one. I will paste. I'll remove click after event and open data toggle fill type of we'll remove data toggle. Okay, model data target. We need to give the data target as whichever the ID of the pop-up ID. See, I'm giving example model center. I need to design the body. I don't want to waste much time, so I will go to the Bootstrap page. I'll type model pop-up. Okay, got it component. So I will just copy the model pop-up, just that complete div. Okay, copy. I will paste here. So I need to change the name. It is so in the body tag I will give Laura a dummy text. Okay, so we need to give the same ID to the closing and opening pop-up. So I'll save this one and I will run it. Refresh. When something went wrong, I didn't save correctly, I think so. Okay, so I'm changing the name. Okay, it's done. Yeah, it's open. So I will give a closing function to click close pop-up. Okay. Refresh. think something went wrong. ID was wrong. Okay, got it. Close is also working. Now we will add a variable and we will empty that one. So I'm taking in a variable. I'm declaring a variable called do empty of any. So I'll do one thing. I'll ng on in condition ng on in it. Now I'll do one thing. I'll keep a console here to just check whether the data is coming or okay. I'll do one thing. I will give data in the open and remove the data from in the close. I'll empty the do empty variable in close. Okay, I'll remove this thing. Okay. Console.log this dot do empty. So I have kept console. I will do one thing. I will keep the console in the open also. So I will check. Okay, I will remove this second function, second button too. Okay, now it's reloaded. I am clearing data. So see, we have got the console data in the console. So okay, I need to. I'll give one thing. I don't do empty in the closing pop-up. I'll give one. Okay, save. So clear this. Open. I got the data. After closing, I got one. So thank you guys. Keep watching for more. Do like and subscribe to my channel for the latest videos and updates. Thank you.